Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Turnitin access and choosing the correct class and assignment. This matters because reports tie to specific assignments. Once logged in, upload a supported file type such as docx or PDF and name it clearly. Make sure to set whether you allow revisions, who can view the originality report, and the submission date. These first choices control comparison pools and student access, so take a moment to verify them before you submit. Once Turnitin generates the similarity score, focus on how it measures matched text rather than intent. A high percentage flags review, not automatic guilt. You click each match section to open the side-by-side viewer and examine the original source context. This shows whether matches are correctly cited or problematic. Then apply filters like excluding quotes, bibliography, or matches under a set word count to refine results. Make sure to document questionable. You finish by turning findings into action. Instruct the author to add citations, paraphrase properly, or provide quotes with attribution, and explain why these fixes matter to avoid future matches. Download the full originality report as a PDF for records and record the similarity score alongside your notes. If the report fails or shows unexpected matches, clear your browser cache, retry the upload, or contact your institution admin. This troubleshooting step often resolves upload and parsing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.